Now, let's start the driver installation. Download the Updating File folder to the computer desktop by using the Cloud Drive's download link. Install the drivers in turn according to the marked number in folder. The first step, install the CH340 driver. Open the Updating File folder. Open the USB to TTL folder. Double-click the CH341SCR driver application. Click Install. Click OK to finish the CH340 driver installation. The second step, software setting and operation instruction. Open the Updating Software folder. Double-click the STC ISP v6 application. Firstly, check and select the right scan port. Click the Win and X keys together on keyboard. Click Device Manager. Click Ports to check the connection serial port number. Back to Software Interface. Select the right serial port number we found. Then we go on checking and setting the items, from number 2 to number 7 according to the indicated setting requirements on the right. Now, click number 8 Open Code File button to search and select the program file need to update. Pay attention that before click the Download Program button, we must make sure the programmer's power switch is at off position. Click Download Program button firstly and then quickly turn on the programmer's power switch to start the updating work. When the software window indicates Complete message, the updating work is finished.